Hello, everyone, and welcome to Week 15, Module 15. This week, we will be covering Chapter 15 in our textbook, and we will be going over aspects of communications with families, also talking about how our portfolio is useful within family communication, as well as what is a teacher's role in interacting with the child. You'll also be able to contrast the difference in families and how that affects the teacher. This week we'll be covering all three of our SLOs, and to be successful, you want to make sure to read Chapter 15, go over your PowerPoints and your chapter videos, as well as completing the quiz for Chapter 15 by December 3rd, 11:59 p.m. Again, you have 2 attempts, and it is worth 10 points. This week, your main focus will be continuing to work on Observation 3, which is due by Friday, December 3rd, 11:59 as well. This observation is worth 50 points. I have provided a study guide within this module. Please look it over, write notes on it. You may use the study guide while taking your final, and that will be due by December 10th. Other than that, have a fabulous week. I hope you enjoyed your Thanksgiving, and I will all talk to you soon.